In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. And we're confident that you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority and we'll work very hard to get it. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.